Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about crude oil. So let's get started. Last weekend, the second and the third, right? December 2nd and 3rd was the weekend. So I made this last Friday night when the market closed. I made this video, US oil daily chart. This is a daily chart showing that this would be the target here, around 127 fib of this, and then 88% of this. This is like a bad pattern here, 50% here, 23, and then 88, right? So my target was this, 70, 42. As of today, December 6th, this is where we are. Now, I just recorded this chart a little while ago after closing my trade. What trade I'm talking about, I'll show you. As well as I made the chart on my 40-minute chart, 80-minute chart actually, it was 1,000 brick size. But look at this. This is a deep, inside of Elliott waves, right? Wave 1 or A, 2 or B. And this was, I was expecting here, 70, 42, around 1.618 of wave 1 will be wave 3 or C finishing around here. So what happened today? You can see that nice and clean. This is wave 5. This is wave 1, 2, 3, ABC 4, 5, came down and touched it. I closed my trade and I made these charts a little bit earlier. Right? So coming down from here to here this week so far, I had 2 trades as I planned. The first one on the 4th from here to here, from 74.71 to 72.81. And then the second one is this one today, just closed a little while ago, from 72.38 all the way here to 70.75. My target was 70.42, but you don't want to take a chance. Enough is enough, and a little bit early, yeah, fine, thank you. I closed it. So this is how you plan your trade over the weekend and then trade your plan on weekdays, right? That's how it is. Today is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm expecting a bounce from here. And why? Because let me show it to you. If you look at the weekly chart, this is what's happening. So my weekly chart, the same chart over the weekend I made, this is what it is. So this is a TL here. This is 70.42. If we can hold above 70.42, and tomorrow's Thursday, Friday is the NFP. NFP can change the direction of anything, right? So I'm expecting that it will fly from here. Let's see what happens. Finger crossed. But I plan to take some trades to the downside from the daily chart, right? And I did. And that, from here to here, 2 trades. That's it. Done with oil for this week. And let's see what happened on Friday. And if we can change the direction and bounce from the 70.42, then I'll be taking. So if you like, this, what you saw, and then, my system, my analysis, and you want to be a part of it, then you can go on my website here, my creativetradingsystems.com, and sign up for monthly subscription, yearly, whatever, or one-on-one coaching, or get the trading robot, the EA that opens up the trade automatically, and all of that. I also have the Telegram channel to back up, I post, daily setups and upcoming setups, updates, and all of that on that Telegram, right? So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the trading week.